Hello guys, today I'm going to give you a review about this great neck rechargeable cordless screwdriver which I'll be using to fix the Chromebooks. So this one works at 200 RPM, which is revolutions per minute, has a LED light plus the LED battery level indicator, also forward and reverse trigger, comes with 4 bits and a charger. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, here we go, it looks good. Oh, look, it's already charged, looks like. It's pretty lightweight, it's comfortable rubber grip. There you go, it has a LED light, it's not bad. Okay, now I'm gonna test this out. I'm gonna have one of the Chromebook and try to open the screw, see how easy or hard it is to use. Okay, I'm gonna pick the right bits. I'm gonna go ahead and try to open this. Let's see how it goes. Okay, not bad. It's good. I'm gonna go to the next one. Alright, looks good. Now I'm gonna try to turn on the LED and see how it works in the dark. Okay, oh wow, it's not bad. Okay, so in my opinion, this is a great tool if you are working with computers, laptops, Chromebooks. It's a really good tool, easy to use, very lightweighted, and it takes initially when you charge it, you have to charge it for 7 to 8 hours, and then every 3 to 5 hours after that. And it's really a good tool. Looking forward to use it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be back with more videos soon.